Okay, so I'm gonna do this video in English because the firm who sent me the products, which I paid for myself, is called Rhino Rescue, and that's why this video is in English. Right there, you can see their first product, right there. That is a Rhino Rescue tourniquet. I have one on my plate carrier, and I have one here on my backpack. And I have one in here. This is their top of the line IFAK, individual first aid kit. And this will stop any type of heavy bleeding. So, as I said before, I'm gonna do a video about my survival belt. Well, this is it. There is a knife right there, full tang. It's my survival knife. My EDC, my regular viewers know what's in here. In here are all my tools, 2 flashlights, 2 fire starters, some medical supplies, nothing fancy, just some compresses and bandages. There's a knife in here, 2 multi-tools, and some other stuff. In here I have a emergency shelter, a emergency bivvy. There is a bigger flashlight in here. There is a different multi-tool in here. So yeah, but this is new. None of you have seen this on my channel. And this is, as I said, this is a kit for severe bleeding. This holds everything really for major trauma. This is a real trauma kit. So in it we have the 2 main compartments and a smaller compartment. Let's see what's in here. So on the first part of the clamshell of the pouch, we have dry burn dressing, 2 wound dressings, triangular bandage, 2 wound compresses, 2 compressed gauzes, 2 abdominal pads, 2 chest seals, elastic bandage, safety clips, a emergency bandage, tape, wound plasters, and this word is hard to pronounce. This is a nasopharyngeal airway. This can help with breathing when the airway is obstructed. That goes up the nose. And a pair of scissors. That's back in there. Let's check out part 2. And the second part holds a splint. We also have a extensive splint kit in the backpack, up there somewhere. Tourniquet, TCCC card, I'll get back on that later. Instructions on how to deploy and fold your tourniquet. First aid manual, lubricating jelly, which is actually for the nasal phalangeal airway that I had in here. Burn gel, gloves, wooden spatula, well, it's a wooden tongue depressor, emergency blanket, eye shield, mouth to mouth, and that's it. Yeah. And everything is neatly packed again inside this giant pouch. The first time I opened the box today, I was like, oh, that's bigger than I thought. But it fits nicely on the belt together with the rest of the pouches. And yeah, I'm happy. I'm very happy. And I'm impressed by the quality of these things. I tried the tourniquet out earlier today, and it works. I can attest to that. So this first aid manual, of course, is always handy. And then you have that TCCC card, which is actually for military use. As a civilian, you don't really need it, but usually you'd fill this out and it would travel with the wounded individual to the medevac helicopter, and then to, well, in my case, it was the Roll 3 in Kandahar in Afghanistan. Well, not that I was there, but that's where our wounded would go. So you'd fill out the card, call in the 9-liner, and that's about it. Okay, that is about it. As I said, I have one of these on my plate carrier. In it is this thing with a pair of scissors and a pen. You can see the white label here. When you apply a tourniquet, it is very important that you write down the time when you applied it. That's what the pen is for. And of course, to fill in the TCCC card. Okay, well, that's it. I hope I never have to use this pouch, but it's better to have it and not have to use it than not to have it and wish you had. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.